This is Sunflowers for Ukraine artist collaboration. This is an important collaboration, and I want to thank Katie Lancaster of Glowing Citrine for organizing this really important collaboration in support of Ukraine. In this collaboration are 15 incredible fluid artists hoping to spur awareness and possible donations for the relief effort for Ukraine. The idea of this collaboration was to do some type of sunflower representation through fluid art, whether it be a swipe or a bloom or whatever you would like to kind of come up with, and in the colors of the Ukrainian flag of the blue and the beautiful yellow gold. I have done another pour of the SunflowerSwipe in support of the Ukraine recently, and again I'm doing another one that I'm going to embellish, and I'm doing it with a pearl cell center that you see I've done there, and it's going to be a swipe of the yellow and gold colors and a little bit of the fire opal to give it dimension. If you're just joining the collaboration now, Tiffany Ramine had her collaboration video for Sunflowers for Ukraine at 6:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you missed her video, please go back and check her video out. It's incredible. She's a great friend of mine, and it's a really inspirational piece. Just wanted to also give you some information on this war and invasion on Ukraine by Russia. About 2.6 million have fled to other countries, and about 1.8 million are internally displaced. And then that's families, that's women, men, women, and children, and the children are really being affected. A lot of times the children have been sent off on trains without family members, without any family, just to get out, just to survive. And so I'm going to leave links to two different ways to donate. One is the vidIQ Creators for Peace link, and the other is the UNICEF link. And that way you can donate to these families and children who have been so affected by this invasion. Now, as I said, I am doing a swipe for this sunflower painting, and then I am also doing a pearl cell center for my center of the sunflower, and I chose to do an embellishment. I'm embellishing butterflies in the colors of the Ukrainian flag, both blue, like a vibrant blue, and a yellow gold for the butterflies. And sunflowers are known and symbolic for being a symbol of strength and longevity and joy. And butterflies are known to be symbols of change and evolution and peace and light. So I thought this was appropriate to use these symbols, these butterflies, to embellish this painting that means, so much in light of the situation and in light of what the collaboration is for. Now, Cindy Porter is up after me for her regular Friday night live premiere, and that will be at 7:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And she is also part of this Sunflowers for Ukraine collaboration, and her collaboration video will be tomorrow, Saturday, at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So please check her video out for this collaboration tomorrow, Saturday at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will list all the artists who participated in this really important collaboration, and please go to that playlist and check everybody's videos out. For the rest of this video, I will just let you watch me paint and embellish these butterflies and just think about what is going on and think about the people in the Ukraine. And please, if it is touching your heart, please reach out and please respond to the video and donate if it so moves you. It's very important. Donated, and like I said, the links will be in my description box on this video to donate for this very important cause. I was the final video for Friday's collaboration videos, but be sure and tune in tomorrow for Saturday's lineup, and heading off that lineup will be Jonja Brumick with JB Poor Art, and her video will start at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so tune into her channel tomorrow for Saturday's day of inspirational collaboration videos.
There's a message drifting in the air. If you listen, you will notice music everywhere. This bridge is made of hope. This bridge is made of hope. In this world of hunger, war, and strife, build a better life. This bridge is made of hope. Side by side, hope. This bridge is made of hope.